Good morning guys, what's up and welcome to yet another vlog. Today I'm spending the day in Gurgaon. I've flown in all the way from Mumbai because I'm here whenever I'm in Gurgaon. It's always for a car launch and I'm here to check out the new release by Kia which is happening today at the DLF Golf Course. I've just checked in to the Westin. I've taken the morning flight from Bombay. Kia's launching a new car called the Kia Carens. And I'm really excited to show it to you. So now I'm headed in to the room. I'm going to like rest for a bit, then head on over to the press conference where I'm going to give you a first glimpse of Kia's new release. So watch this space and follow me on the day today. But first, before I proceed with this vlog, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Very, very important. You need to be subscribed to my vlogs because I'm doing a whole bunch of really cool and fun vlogs all the time from across India and the world and Sri Lanka. So watch this space. I'm going to go now and you're going to follow me on the day today. So I've just checked into this really beautiful room here at the Westin in Gurgaon. I've had a really early morning flight. I'm going to spend about 30 minutes in the room just freshening up, maybe have a cup of coffee. Actually, no, I've had way too much coffee for the day. Let me just show you this view quickly. It looks really nice. Is that, yeah, the pool is right there, but this is really a nice looking hotel. Anyway, I'm finally here. I'm going to freshen up and then head on over to the golf course, the Gurgaon Golf Course or wherever, for the new Kia. I'm really excited to see it. So I'm finally here at the venue. It's really, really fancy and stylish. I've never been to the DLF golf course before. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Let me give you a glimpse of what the view is like. It's really nice. I've just got my media badge and I'm about to go in. So I just registered for the event and I'm walking past this. Wow. I wish every press event was like this. Catching up with old friends and of course the very gorgeous Mugdha.
Hi.
Say hi to my daily vlog today.
Hi. How are you guys?
Of course, role model for any car content for me, Mugdha.
You're too sweet.
It's true guys. I'm going to put her details in there. You need to follow her and not me. And yeah, we've just got 2 coffees because Nishant has demanded another cup of coffee. But what do you think of, are you excited to see the launch today? Are you a huge Kia fan?
I'm not a fan of any one thing, but yeah, I think Kia has done extremely well in this country. I love the way they came so late and made such a big impact on the country.
Are you excited to see what they're going to launch today?
Definitely.
Okay, and hopefully in the future we'll drive one together.
Yes, that will be great.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the man who envisions the future of mobility and has been at the helm of everything Kia, the President and CEO of Kia Corporation, Mr. Ho Sang Song, who is joining us.
Mashed potato.
Say hi
Oh, hi.
to the vlog.
Oh, yeah.
Don't act very posh.
I didn't see you. Mashed potatoes are pretty much
Look at his hair, guys.
And it's so cool, I'm seeing myself in the screen on the front. I'm not used to this.
Fair enough.
Mr. Burman,
But it's still not the same.
we're discussing very important things at Cardinal.
Let me sit. Let me sit on the chair. Cheer. What are we discussing?
Some very important things which is a highlight in every car launch, especially right now. We're
Coconut
in the
water.
premiere of Kia Carens. No,
Coconut
the food.
Ah yes.
what is for food? Because we are hungry.
I've
buddies.
never had coconut water at a car launch in my life. I think it's quite posh.
It is excellent, and it's got paper
There's
straws.
some subs, meva.
Sheik. Not tried this yet, but it's a veg sheik. I will not take it seriously.
He is a pure vegetarian.
Non-vegetarian.
For almost a month, I'm reunited with this idiot. And of all places, we have to be reunited in Delhi. And guys, I showed him my shoes. I just want to tell you, I've showed him these shoes, and he said I'm looking too much of a Delhi boy. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but if I'm coming here, should I wear sneakers? But actually, Tushar's sneaker game is always strong.
I think it might get stronger this afternoon because we are very close to the shop.
Ah, okay, this is true. But Onitsuka Tiger India, are you listening? You've got one regular loyal customer here. Influencer. What do you think of just coming and hanging out here in the open, seeing the car? We should go and check out the car also shortly.
We should probably check out the car that we're here for. But I am really enjoying being out in the sun, whatever little
Yeah,
there
it's
is
nice.
of it. It is slightly warm. I'm actually wearing a shirt and nothing over it. I usually am wearing 3 layers in Delhi. It's crazy cold. At least we're a desert people, man.
This is true.